Yeah, I really love there is some sweet date kind of note over here, which is really good. Today's target is Rare Reef. I'm going to burst the bubble of a lot of influencers that say this is safe plant, this is great, this is amazing. I'm going to be very brutally honest in my opinion. So let's find out how this Rare Reef is. And I have sprayed, I had got it sample before, but this is a very nice Afnan sample set. You can see always order this sample set to test all the perfumes because each nose and each perception of smells is different. You might like something, also the skins are different, the pH is different. You might I mostly spray some of the perfumes on my wife's skin. They love elegant, but on my skin they doesn't project, or they actually change their nature a little bit. So this is again true about perfumes. So make sure you spray, you test it on your skins and strips before you actually buy them. So today is Rare Reef. I'm going to spray the Rare Reef. It is a very citrus perfume. It smells like you are on a beach and you are in front of a lot of orange peels, oranges, fresh oranges, citrus, something like that. It doesn't has lemon. Let's see what is the actual breakdown. It says blackcurrant, orange, citron, mint, coriander, grapefruit. So a lot of citruses over here. Very lovely start. It is like you are on a beach and you have a lot of oranges, mandarin, grapefruit around you. You are eating an orange and the orange part and the juice is coming out, something like that. Maybe little minty. It says middle notes apricot, basil, rose, violet leaf. Base note fig, dates, ambret and amber wood. So this is the notes breakdown, and let's spray it once more. Yeah, I really love there is some sweet date kind of note over here, which is really good. It is mostly a citrus perfume, very citrus. Actually, my kids love it. When I sprayed it, they say this is really good, Papa. So this is a kind of perfume that I think everyone is going to enjoy. My wife didn't enjoy it much, so I can't say that, but my kids, they love it because it really reminds you of a freshly peeled orange. Let's try to dry it. I get a little bit of fig and date over here, but I don't get any other like apricot, rose or violet leaves, things like that. There might be some mint. Yes, there is some mint in there. Very citrus, orange heavy, light minty, light sweet perfume which smells like you are on a cool beach, the cool wind is blowing and something like that. So this is the situation I have showed you. This is it. This is how it smells. Yeah, fig and dates are there in the background, so I hope they are going to emerge in the base notes, and when it is going to dry down. I think it is a good combination, very good perfume in my opinion. It is I think kind of like good citrus perfume for summers. It is a good office driver. You can wear this safely to the office. I think it is more suited to the office than Rebel Elixir or 9 p.m. Rebel. So this is how I feel about this perfume. My kids love it. I think my daughter and the son, they are like age 13 and 10, 11. They actually wanted me to order this one. I'm still thinking about it, but it's a nice perfume. So overall, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 for scent profile, and I'm going to give it 6 out of 10 for performance. Right now, it is not performing really super good, but I think it is a medium good performance, 4 to 5 hours. It might be. I haven't tested it on my skin. I think I tested it on my skin. It lasts like 3 hours max. So this is a letdown. Sometimes people say that they perform really well. Sometimes they say they perform really bad. So maybe it is the problem might be with the juice. You have to keep it for like 2 or 3 months to let it mature and it might work. But in this price point, I think this is good. 3 to 4 hours is a good time for a perfume. So this is my review about Rare Reef from Afnan. I hope you like this video. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.